What's up, everybody? So we wanted to give you guys a couple of quick tips for those of you who have ordered the Mountain Pass spherical bearing from us on our website with the press tool, because you guys are going to press in your own bearing. We wanted to show you guys what the orientation of this is going to be inside of the arm. So you have a driver and a passenger side arm. We do label them, as you can see here, driver. And then I also labeled front and back, so you know which side of this is going to face backwards. As you can see, they are mirror images of each other. Okay, driver and passenger. Now, they are going to specify that the side you press in, take a look at the bearing. This is the side that you press on. It is different than this side. This side is going to face the back of the car, as shown here. So see the B. This is the side you press in. The press tool locates on here. Once this is pressed in, you will want this side to be flush with the back of the arm, as we've done. All of that can be seen on Mountain Pass's website under their Tech Center link. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how we press this in. And so as you can see, this is the B facing the back of the car. This is the side I'm going to press out and in from. This is the side that you're pressing against. Press tool fits inside of here, and this will go in this way. Let's show you. Out with the old and in with the new. Now you will want to make sure that this is facing up at the subframe. So ball joint faces this way. This has to face this way because there will be a dowel that goes inside of this bearing to help locate it inside of the subframe. Now, if you mess that up, this is a bearing, you can rotate it, but you might as well do it right the first time. And as you'll see, I opted to make a mark on my press tool so I know how deep it needs to go to make the other side flush. There you go. Please check out our website for those of you who haven't purchased this yet. It's all listed. Thanks.